Learn how to make continuous bias tape. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And share it with your family and friends. Cut a large square piece of fabric. The larger the square, the less piecing you will have. Mark halfway down two opposite sides. Cut along the diagonal so you have two equal-sized triangles. Stitch the triangles right sides together. Mark lines at your desired width. Create a tube of continuous bias tape. Move the edges so that the lines are offset by one strip, carefully pin matching the ends of the lines. Stitch a 1/4 inch seam. And press the seam open. Cut along the lines in a continuous bias tape. Your continuous bias tape is now ready for pressing. Good luck, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make continuous bias tape. I'd love to hear in the comments about what you are going to use it for.